Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your OnePlus Nord CE5. So first, what you guys want to do is basically open up your phone. Now after that, what you guys can do is adjust the media volume in the settings. So open up the settings app. Now scroll a bit down to sounds and vibration, and here adjust the media volume with the slider. So what you guys can do next is disable the do not disturb mode. Basically we have it in the sounds and vibration too. As you guys can see now, while it's on, the phone will be silent with no vibration except for allowed items. So if you got it enabled, then you may have enabled the mute media when do not disturb is enabled, and that can cause those issues. So I do not recommend using the do not disturb mode on your device. Now moving on, we have to clean the speaker grill. So as you guys can see, we have it right here. Now we just have to clean it with soft brush or compressed air. Doesn't really matter what you use. What matters is that it's clean and that there's nothing stuck inside like debris or dirt. So now, as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any audio glitches. So go over to the settings. Now what you guys want to do is go and scroll all the way down until you guys see system and update. Now here, click on software update, and it will check automatically if you run the latest version of the software. So if you do not run the latest version, I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.